Yellowfin Buy Online Training. Introduction to Yellowfin Buy, what you need to know. Yellowfin Buy is a comprehensive business intelligence buy platform designed to help organizations derive insights from their data to make informed decisions. Here's what you need to know about Yellowfin Buy. Overview. Yellowfin Buy provides a suite of tools and functionalities for data visualization, reporting, and analytics. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows both technical and non-technical users to explore and analyze data easily. Data integration. Yellowfin Buy integrates with various data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, cloud applications, and big data platforms. This enables users to access and analyze data from multiple sources within a single platform. Data visualization. One of the key features of Yellowfin Buy is its robust data visualization capabilities. Users can create interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards to visualize data trends, patterns, and insights. The platform offers a wide range of visualization options to suit different business needs. Reporting. Yellowfin Buy enables users to generate customizable reports based on their data analysis. Reports can be scheduled, automated, and distributed to stakeholders, ensuring that decision-makers have access to relevant information in a timely manner. Advanced analytics. In addition to basic reporting and visualization, Yellowfin Buy supports advanced analytics capabilities such as predictive analytics, machine learning, and natural language processing. These features enable users to uncover deeper insights and predictive trends from their data. Collaboration. Yellowfin Buy fosters collaboration and data-driven decision-making by allowing users to share insights, comments, and annotations within the platform. This promotes knowledge sharing and facilitates communication among team members. Mobile accessibility. The platform is accessible via mobile devices, allowing users to access and interact with data on the go. This ensures that decision-makers have access to critical information anytime, anywhere. Security and governance. Yellowfin Buy prioritizes data security and governance, offering features such as role-based access control, data encryption, and audit trails to ensure that sensitive information is protected and compliance requirements are met. Scalability. Whether for small businesses or large enterprises, Yellowfin Buy is scalable to accommodate varying data volumes and user requirements. It can be deployed on-premises, in the cloud, or as a hybrid solution. Support and training. Yellowfin Buy provides comprehensive support and training resources to help users maximize the value of the platform. This includes online tutorials, documentation, webinars, and dedicated customer support services. Getting started with Yellowfin Buy, a beginner's guide. Understanding business intelligence by. Familiarize yourself with the concept of buy. It involves analyzing raw data to generate actionable insights, aiding in better decision-making within an organization. Introduction to Yellowfin Buy. Yellowfin Buy is a comprehensive buy platform that offers reporting, analytics, and data visualization capabilities. It allows users to connect to various data sources, analyze data, and create interactive dashboards and reports. Installation and setup. Begin by installing Yellowfin Buy on your system or using the cloud-based version if available. Follow the installation instructions provided by Yellowfin to set up the platform. Connect data sources. After installation, connect Yellowfin Buy to your data sources. This can include databases, spreadsheets, CRM systems, and more. Yellowfin supports a wide range of data sources, making it flexible for different organizations. Explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the Yellowfin Buy interface. Understand how to navigate through the different sections such as dashboards, reports, and data sources. Create reports and dashboards. Start creating your first reports and dashboards. Yellowfin offers drag-and-drop functionality for designing visualizations. Experiment with different chart types, filters, and formatting options to present your data effectively. Data analysis and insights. Use Yellowfin's analytics tools to delve deeper into your data. Perform ad hoc queries, apply filters, and conduct advanced analytics to uncover insights that can drive business decisions. Collaboration and sharing. Utilize Yellowfin's collaboration features to share reports and dashboards with colleagues. Enable commenting and annotations to facilitate discussions around data insights. Navigating the Yellowfin Buy interface, basics and tips. Yellowfin Buy is a powerful business intelligence platform that helps organizations analyze data and make informed decisions. Here's a basic guide to navigating its interface along with some helpful tips. Dashboard overview. When you first log in, you'll likely see a dashboard with various widgets displaying key metrics and visualizations. These dashboards can be customized to suit your specific needs and preferences. Navigation bar. At the top of the interface, you'll find the navigation bar. This bar typically contains options such as Home, Dashboards, Reports, Data, Administration, and Help. Use these options to navigate between different sections of the Yellowfin Buy platform. Dashboards. Dashboards are customizable collections of reports and visualizations that provide a high-level overview of your data. You can create new dashboards, edit existing ones, and share them with other users. Reports. Reports in Yellowfin Buy are interactive presentations of your data. You can create reports using various data sources and customize them with different visualizations, filters, and formatting options. Data. The data section allows you to manage your data sources, connections, and data sets. You can import data from various sources, create data models, and perform data transformations. Administration. In the administration section, administrators can manage users, roles, security settings, and system configurations. This section is essential for maintaining the security and integrity of your Yellowfin Buy environment. Help and support. If you need assistance while using Yellowfin Buy, you can access the Help section for documentation, tutorials, and support resources. You can also contact Yellowfin's support team directly for assistance with technical issues or questions. Tips for navigating Yellowfin Buy. Customize your dashboard. Tailor your dashboard to display the most relevant metrics and visualizations for your business goals. You can rearrange widgets, resize them, and choose different visualization types to suit your preferences. Use filters and drill downs. Take advantage of filters and drill downs in reports to focus on specific subsets of data and uncover insights. This can help you identify trends, outliers, and areas for improvement more effectively. Collaborate with team members. Yellowfin Buy supports collaboration features such as sharing dashboards, commenting on reports, and setting up scheduled report deliveries. Leverage these features to foster collaboration and knowledge sharing within your team. Stay organized. Keep your Yellowfin Buy environment organized by creating folders to categorize dashboards, reports, and data sources. This can make it easier to find and access the resources you need, especially in large deployments with multiple users. Stay up to date. Stay informed about new features, updates, and best practices for using Yellowfin Buy. Subscribe to newsletters, attend webinars, and participate in user communities to stay connected with the Yellowfin Buy community and maximize your usage of the platform. Building your first dashboard in Yellowfin Buy. Building your first dashboard in Yellowfin Buy can be an exciting experience. Yellowfin Buy is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful analytics capabilities. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Access Yellowfin Buy. Log in to your Yellowfin Buy instance using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard builder. Once logged in, you'll typically find an option to create or access dashboards in the main menu or dashboard section of the application. Create a new dashboard. Click on the Create New or Add New button to start building your dashboard. Select data sources. Yellowfin Buy allows you to connect to various data sources such as databases, spreadsheets, or web services. Choose the data sources you want to use for your dashboard. Drag and drop widgets. Yellowfin Buy offers a wide range of widgets like charts, tables, gauges, and maps. Drag and drop the widgets onto your dashboard canvas. Configure widgets. Once added, configure each widget by selecting the appropriate data fields, measures, and dimensions. You can customize the appearance, labels, and formatting options to suit your requirements. Create filters. Enable interactivity by adding filters to your dashboard. Filters allow users to dynamically adjust the data displayed on the dashboard based on their preferences. Arrange and organize. Arrange the widgets on your dashboard canvas to create a visually appealing layout. You can resize and reposition widgets as needed. Understanding data sources in Yellowfin Buy. Yellowfin Buy, like other business intelligence buy tools, relies on various data sources to gather, process, and visualize data for analysis. Understanding these data sources is crucial for effective utilization of the Buy platform. Here's an overview of common data sources used in Yellowfin Buy. Relational databases. Yellowfin Buy can connect to traditional relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and others. It allows users to query and analyze data stored in tables using SQL queries. Data warehouse. Data warehouse like Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, Snowflake, and Microsoft Azure SQL Data Warehouse are commonly used with Yellowfin Buy. They store large volumes of structured data from various sources for analysis and reporting. Spreadsheet files. Yellowfin Buy can import data from spreadsheet files like Microsoft Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets. This flexibility allows users to analyze data stored in spreadsheets alongside other data sources. Big data platforms. Yellowfin supports integration with big data platforms such as Hadoop and Spark. It enables users to analyze vast amounts of structured and unstructured data stored in distributed file systems. Cloud applications. Yellowfin can connect to cloud-based applications like Salesforce, Google Analytics, and HubSpot. This integration allows users to analyze data directly from these applications without manual data extraction. Web services and APIs. Yellowfin supports integration with web services and APIs, enabling users to fetch real-time data from various sources like social media platforms, weather services, or custom applications. Custom data sources. Yellowfin provides options for integrating with custom data sources through JDBC, ODBC, or RESTful APIs. This flexibility allows organizations to connect to proprietary systems or databases tailored to their specific needs. Creating reports with Yellowfin Step-by-step tutorial. Creating reports with Yellowfin involves a few key steps. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process. Access Yellowfin. Log in to your Yellowfin platform using your credentials. Navigate to the report builder. Once logged in, you'll typically land on the dashboard or home screen. Look for options like Create or Build to access the report builder. Select Data Source. Choose the data source you want to use for your report. Yellowfin allows you to connect to various data sources such as databases, spreadsheets, and web services. Select the appropriate one for your report. Design your report. Yellowfin usually offers a drag-and-drop interface for designing reports. Start by selecting the fields you want to include in your report from the available data fields. Drag them onto the canvas to begin building your report layout. Customize visualizations. Once you've added your data fields, you can customize the visualizations to suit your needs. Yellowfin offers various visualization options such as tables, charts, graphs, and maps. Choose the appropriate visualization type for each data field to effectively represent your data. Apply filters and parameters. Filters allow you to narrow down the data displayed in your report based on specific criteria. You can apply filters to your report to focus on particular subsets of data. Parameters enable users to dynamically change aspects of the report, such as date ranges or product categories. Add calculations and formulas. Yellowfin allows you to perform calculations and apply formulas to your data within the report. You can create custom metrics, aggregate functions, or calculated fields to derive insights from your data. Format and style. Customize the appearance of your report by applying formatting options such as colors, fonts, borders, and backgrounds. Ensure that your report is visually appealing and easy to understand. Optimizing performance. Tips for using Yellowfin efficiently. Optimizing performance in Yellowfin involves several strategies to ensure that your data analysis and reporting processes run smoothly and efficiently. Here are some tips. Data model optimization. Design your data model efficiently by organizing data into appropriate tables, using indexes, and optimizing joins. This ensures faster data retrieval for reporting. Data source optimization. Utilize optimized data sources such as data warehouse or data marts. Pre-aggregate data where possible to reduce query times. Query optimization. Write efficient SQL queries with appropriate indexing and avoid overly complex queries. Test and optimize queries for performance regularly. Dashboard design. Opt for simpler dashboard designs with fewer widgets and avoid overloading dashboards with too much data. Use caching and incremental loading where applicable to reduce load times. Data filtering. Apply filters at the database level rather than filtering large datasets within Yellowfin. This reduces the amount of data transferred over the network. Data compression. Compress data where possible to reduce storage requirements and improve query performance. Scheduled reports. Schedule resource-intensive reports and data refresh tasks during off-peak hours to avoid impacting system performance during peak usage times. Server configuration. Ensure that your Yellowfin server is properly configured with sufficient hardware resources, CPU, memory, and disk, to handle the expected workload. Regular maintenance. Perform regular maintenance tasks such as database indexing, data cleanup, and software updates to keep the system running smoothly. Best practices for data management in Yellowfin BI. Yellowfin BI, like many business intelligence platforms, relies heavily on data management for effective reporting and analysis. Here are some best practices for data management in Yellowfin BI. Data quality assurance. Ensure that the data you're working with is accurate, complete, and consistent. Implement data validation checks to identify and correct any discrepancies or errors in the data. Data integration. Integrate data from various sources into Yellowfin BI to create a unified view of your organization's data. Use Yellowfin's data connectors or APIs to seamlessly connect to databases, data warehouse, and other data sources. Data modeling. Design a logical data model that reflects the relationships between different data entities in your organization. Use Yellowfin's data modeling tools to define data structures, relationships, and hierarchies. Data transformation. Transform raw data into a format that is suitable for analysis and reporting. Use Yellowfin's data preparation tools to clean, enrich, and transform data as needed. Data security. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with data privacy regulations. Use Yellowfin's security features to control access to data and reports based on user roles and permissions. Data governance. Establish data governance policies and procedures to manage the life cycle of data within Yellowfin BI. Define standards for data quality, metadata management, and data stewardship. Performance optimization. Optimize the performance of your Yellowfin BI environment to ensure fast query response times and efficient use of system resources. Monitor system performance regularly and tune configurations as needed. Version control. Implement version control for your Yellowfin BI content, including reports, dashboards, and data models. Use Yellowfin's version control features to track changes, manage revisions, and collaborate with team members. Backup and recovery. Regularly backup your Yellowfin by configuration, metadata, and data to protect against data loss and ensure business continuity. Develop a backup and recovery strategy that includes regular backups, off-site storage, and disaster recovery procedures. How does Yellowfin Buy differ from other business intelligence tools? Yellowfin Buy, like other business intelligence buy tools, is designed to help organizations make sense of their data, gain insights, and make informed decisions. However, Yellowfin Buy differentiates itself in several ways. User-friendly interface. Yellowfin is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, which makes it easier for users at all levels of technical proficiency to interact with data and create reports and dashboards. Collaboration and sharing. Yellowfin emphasizes collaboration features, allowing users to share insights, reports, and dashboards with team members easily. It facilitates discussions around data within the platform, fostering a more collaborative approach to decision-making. Embedded analytics. Yellowfin offers robust capabilities for embedding analytics within other applications or portals. This allows organizations to integrate analytics seamlessly into their existing workflows and applications, providing insights to users where they need them most. Mobile Buy. Yellowfin provides comprehensive support for mobile buy, allowing users to access and interact with data from anywhere using their smartphones or tablets. The mobile app offers similar functionality to the desktop version, ensuring users can stay connected to their data on the go. AI and machine learning. Yellowfin incorporates AI and machine learning capabilities to enhance data analysis and decision-making. These features can help automate tasks such as data preparation, predictive modeling, and anomaly detection, enabling users to derive deeper insights from their data more efficiently. Scalability and performance. Yellowfin is designed to scale with the needs of the organization, supporting large volumes of data and high user concurrency. Its architecture is optimized for performance, ensuring that users can analyze and visualize data quickly, even as datasets grow in size. What industries can benefit the most from Yellowfin Buy? Yellowfin Buy, Business Intelligence, is a versatile tool that can benefit various industries by providing insights derived from data analysis. Some industries that can benefit significantly from Yellowfin Buy include retail. Yellowfin can help retailers analyze sales data, customer demographics, and inventory levels to optimize pricing strategies, improve product offerings, and enhance customer experience. Finance. Financial institutions can use Yellowfin to analyze market trends, manage risk, detect fraud, and improve decision-making processes. Healthcare. Yellowfin Buy can assist healthcare organizations in analyzing patient data, monitoring healthcare outcomes, optimizing resource allocation, and improving operational efficiency. Manufacturing. Manufacturers can utilize Yellowfin to monitor production processes, analyze supply chain data, forecast demand, and optimize inventory levels. Telecommunications. Telecom companies can leverage Yellowfin to analyze customer usage patterns, improve network performance, and enhance customer satisfaction. Education. Educational institutions can use Yellowfin to analyze student performance data, track enrollment trends, and optimize resource allocation. Hospitality. Yellowfin can help hospitality businesses analyze customer preferences, optimize pricing strategies, and improve guest satisfaction. Government Government agencies can utilize Yellowfin to analyze data related to public services, track performance metrics, and make data-driven policy decisions. Energy companies can use Yellowfin to analyze energy consumption patterns, optimize resource utilization, and identify areas for cost savings and efficiency improvements. Marketing Yellowfin Buy can assist marketing departments in analyzing campaign performance, customer segmentation, and ROI to optimize marketing strategies and improve targeting. What are the main challenges Yellowfin Buy helps organizations solve? Data integration. Many organizations struggle with integrating data from disparate sources. Yellowfin Buy provides tools to easily connect and consolidate data from various databases, applications, and sources. Data visualization. Understanding complex data can be challenging without proper visualization. Yellowfin Buy offers a wide range of visualization options, such as charts, graphs, and dashboards, to help users interpret data effectively. Self-service analytics, empowering users to explore and analyze data on their own, can be difficult without the right tools. Yellowfin Buy enables self-service analytics, allowing users to create reports and analyze data without extensive technical expertise. Data governance and security. Ensuring data security and compliance with regulations is crucial for organizations. Yellowfin Buy provides features for data governance, access control, and encryption to protect sensitive information. Predictive analytics. Predicting future trends and outcomes can give organizations a competitive edge. Yellowfin Buy includes advanced analytics capabilities for predictive modeling and forecasting. Real-time reporting. Making decisions based on outdated information can lead to missed opportunities or mistakes. Yellowfin Buy supports real-time reporting, allowing users to access up-to-date data and insights whenever they need them. Collaboration and sharing. Effective collaboration is essential for driving insights and decision-making across an organization. Yellowfin Buy offers features for sharing reports, dashboards, and insights, as well as collaboration tools such as comments and annotations. Mobile Buy. In today's mobile world, access to data on the go is critical. Yellowfin Buy provides mobile applications that allow users to access and interact with data from smartphones and tablets, enabling decision-making anytime, anywhere. What security features does Yellowfin Buy offer for data protection? Role-based access control. RBAC. Yellowfin allows administrators to define roles and assign specific permissions to users based on their roles. This ensures that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. Data encryption. Yellowfin supports data encryption both in transit and at rest to protect data from unauthorized access. This includes encryption of database connections, file storage, and communication channels. Single sign-on. SSO. Yellowfin integrates with various authentication systems, including LDAP, Active Directory, and SAML, to enable single sign-on. This enhances security by centralizing user authentication and access control. Audit logging. Yellowfin logs all user activities within the system, including logins, report accesses, and data exports. These audit logs help administrators track user behavior and detect any suspicious activities. Data masking. Yellowfin provides options for data masking to prevent unauthorized users from viewing sensitive information. This feature allows administrators to define rules to mask certain data elements based on user roles or permissions. IP whitelisting and blacklisting. Administrators can configure IP whitelists and blacklists to control access to Yellowfin from specific IP addresses or ranges. This helps prevent unauthorized access from unknown or suspicious locations. Multi-tenancy support. Yellowfin offers multi-tenancy support, allowing organizations to securely segregate data and access rights between different departments, teams, or client organizations within a single instance of the platform. Secure embedding. Yellowfin provides options for embedding reports and dashboards securely within custom applications or portals. This ensures that embedded content is accessed only by authorized users and maintains data security. Regular security updates. Yellowfin releases regular updates and patches to address security vulnerabilities and enhance the overall security posture of the platform. It's essential for organizations to keep their Yellowfin instance up to date with the latest security patches. How does Yellowfin Buy ensure data accuracy and reliability? Data governance features. Yellowfin Buy offers robust data governance features that allow administrators to define and enforce data quality standards. This includes data profiling, data lineage tracking, and metadata management to ensure data accuracy throughout its life cycle. Data quality checks. Yellowfin Buy allows users to perform data quality checks through built-in data validation tools. These tools help identify and correct data anomalies, inconsistencies, and errors, ensuring that only accurate and reliable data is used for analysis and reporting. Data integration. Yellowfin Buy integrates with various data sources, including databases, data warehouse, and third-party applications. By connecting directly to data sources, Yellowfin Buy minimizes the risk of data inaccuracies that may occur during manual data entry or data transfer processes. Data transformation. Yellowfin Buy provides data transformation capabilities that allow users to cleanse, enrich, and standardize data before analysis. This includes features such as data cleansing, data deduplication, and data normalization, which help improve data accuracy and reliability. Version control. Yellowfin Buy includes version control features that track changes made to reports, dashboards, and data models. This ensures that users have access to the most up-to-date and accurate information and allows administrators to revert to previous versions if necessary. User permissions and access controls. Yellowfin Buy allows administrators to define user permissions and access controls to ensure that only authorized users can view and manipulate sensitive data. This helps prevent unauthorized access or tampering with data, improving overall data reliability. What are the pricing models and licensing options for Yellowfin Buy? Yellowfin Buy offers various pricing models and licensing options to cater to different business needs. Here are some common options. Perpetual licensing. This model involves a one-time upfront fee for a perpetual license to use the software. It typically includes an annual maintenance fee for support and updates. Subscription licensing. With this model, users pay a recurring subscription fee, usually on a monthly or annual basis, to use the software. The subscription fee often includes support and updates. Named user licensing. Under this model, pricing is based on the number of named users who will access the Yellowfin Buy platform. Each user is assigned a license, and the cost increases with the number of users. Concurrent user licensing. In this model, the pricing is based on the maximum number of users who access the system simultaneously, rather than the total number of named users. This can be more cost-effective for organizations with a large user base but low concurrent usage. Enterprise licensing. Yellowfin may offer customized enterprise licensing options tailored to the specific needs of large organizations. This could include volume discounts, customized features, or other arrangements. Cloud-based pricing. Yellowfin also provides cloud-based deployment options, where pricing is based on factors such as the number of users, storage requirements, and additional services like managed hosting or support. OEM and embedded analytics licensing. For software vendors or organizations embedding Yellowfin Buy into their own products or services, specialized licensing options may be available. Why choose ProExcellency for Yellowfin Buy online training? Expertise. ProExcellency likely has a team of experienced trainers who are well-versed in Yellowfin Buy. They can provide comprehensive training tailored to different skill levels, ensuring that participants grasp the concepts effectively. Flexibility. Online training allows participants to learn at their own pace and from anywhere with an internet connection. ProExcellency may offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate learners' busy schedules. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's training programs may include interactive sessions, live demonstrations, and hands-on exercises, fostering better understanding and retention of Yellowfin Buy concepts. Support. Participants may receive ongoing support from ProExcellency throughout the training period, including access to resources, forums, and assistance with technical issues. Certification. Completing training with ProExcellency may lead to certification, which can enhance participants' credentials and career prospects in the field of business intelligence. Reputation. ProExcellency likely has a good reputation in the industry for delivering high-quality training programs. Positive reviews and testimonials from past participants can attest to the effectiveness of their training. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional classroom-based training, online training with ProExcellency may be more cost-effective, as it eliminates the need for travel and accommodation expenses. Thank you.